Hello farmers, welcome back to Edovasal Integrated Farm. So for some time now I've been posting about scheduled vaccination at the farm, the importance and the dangers of a farm faces whenever they neglect scheduled vaccinations, medications. So we are dealing with livestock here, we are dealing with animals, and no matter your best hygiene practice at the farm, animals are likely to pick up one or two things that you may not know, either from the feed you are bringing in or from the people managing the farm from you, or even from visitors, even from the water they are drinking. So monthly vaccinations, medications, if monthly is too much, at least every 2 months, measure, you deworm your animals, you give them antibiotics. Those two are major. Then if you have growing animals, you must include growth boosters, multivitamin, to enable you fattening them properly. Okay, it's a very important thing to do. The only animals we tend to neglect or remove from that bracket is the pregnant ones. So, but even your pregnant sows, you can still once in a while administer iron and multivitamin. Those are just supplement drugs, okay, to nourish their body and nourish their fetus. Meanwhile, for your growing animals, they really need those ivermectin or whatever the woman you use. They need that antibiotics LA meaning long lasting. Okay, you need it. Then you can once in a while include growth booster and multivitamin to boost their appetite and see them doing well. Okay, while doing that, you still maintain your good hygiene at the farm, and before you know it, your little effort begins to pay off. Keep farming right, stay blessed. See you in the next one.